Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Newfoundland Throttle and Dirt. Today we're heading out for a rip, not only on the CRF, but we're also meeting up with Mike from Mag Hobbies and our good buddy L. We're heading out to film some RC boat racing, from the ground and air, so it should be a wicked time. Stick on your helmet, warm up your bike, let's go. So here we are, out for a little rip on the Pavement Princess, the CRF 300L. We got a bit of time to kill before we meet up with Mike from Mag Hobbies and my buddy L. So we figured to take you out along the way for a little ride. Nothing beats cruising these back roads listening to the 300 thump away. And just taking in a little bit of Newfoundland fresh air. Sometimes the best part of the day is the ride before the main event. We're going to soak up a few miles, maybe kick a little dust, and head over to meet the boys for some RC action. Going to be a wicked day, all the way around, so stay tuned. A lot of people ask me, what do I think of the CRF 300L? Now, I know the CRF 300L is not an expert level competition bike, but that's not what I bought it for. For anybody looking to get into the dual sport hobby, it's not chasing a crazy horsepower bike or a wild rocket ship, but wants a bike that'll get you from point A to point B, and still let you have a blast in between. This is the bike for you. This bike gave me the kind of freedom most people will never understand until they throw their own butt over a saddle on a bike. It's not about getting there the fastest or having the fanciest setup. It's about being able to get on the road when you want, turn off the dirt trail, just because you like it looks interesting, and clear your mind for a while. Some days it's the destination, and other days it's just the ride itself that makes it worth it. So would I recommend the CRF 300L? It's not for everybody, but for me it is. So I would recommend it, but that's just me. Won't leave you much longer before we start the RC action. So anyways, stay tuned. This is going to be really fun. I didn't expect them to be so fast, but these RC vehicles are nuts. Here comes Elf. Holy shit, slow down, man.
Ready, set, go. Run. Yeah, I forgot yours.
This is my kind of place. Shell stacked high.
Oh yeah, like this battery. You can tell.
I see everything. I could stay here all day. Welcome to Mag Hobbies, where the fun runs wild. Cosmos Blaze got mics at the counter. Bring the lighting up. You never knew stories and a rig that goes and goes. Need a tougher claw or a
There's the car. You kind of got a bit of lag here.
Traces on the rack, chargers all in a row.
Elf, this will be awesome race at Pasadena.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you had a blast with us today. And remember, if you're going into the RC hobby, make sure to check out Mag Hobbies in Corner Brook. We got you covered, boss. Anyways, cheers.